Ice, the great frozen reservoir of our planet. It's locked away in glaciers, ice sheets, and polar caps, but what if all of it melted? How would this dramatic transformation reshape our world, our cities, and our way of life? Today, vast amounts of Earth's water are trapped in ice, with the majority stored in the Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets. Together, these ice reserves hold enough water to raise global sea levels by more than 200 feet if they were to melt completely. But what would trigger such a catastrophic event? Global ice melt could be driven by a combination of factors, including rising greenhouse gas emissions, increasing global temperatures, and the feedback loops that accelerate melting. As ice melts, it reduces the reflective surface area of the Earth, leading to more heat absorption and further melting, a dangerous cycle that could tip the balance toward an ice-free world. The most immediate and visible consequence of all the ice melting would be a dramatic rise in sea levels. Coastal cities like New York, London, Tokyo, and Shanghai would be submerged, displacing hundreds of millions of people. Entire nations, particularly low-lying island countries, could disappear beneath the waves, leading to a global refugee crisis on an unprecedented scale. The influx of fresh water from melting ice would disrupt ocean currents, which play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. For example, the Gulf Stream, which warms much of Europe, could slow down or stop, leading to harsher winters in Europe and potentially triggering a mini ice age in the region. Changes in ocean currents would also affect weather patterns globally, leading to more extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and floods. As ice melts, the Earth's climate would continue to warm due to the loss of the albedo effect, the reflection of sunlight by ice. This would exacerbate global warming, leading to more intense heat waves, the spread of deserts, and the loss of agricultural land. The disruption of the climate system would affect food production, water supplies, and human health, potentially leading to conflicts over resources and a decline in global stability. The melting of ice would have devastating effects on ecosystems and biodiversity. Polar bears, seals, and other species that depend on ice-covered regions would face extinction. Coral reefs, already threatened by warming oceans and acidification, would suffer further from rising sea levels and changing ocean chemistry. The loss of these ecosystems would disrupt food chains, affecting both marine and terrestrial life, and leading to a significant loss of biodiversity. Faced with these challenges, humanity would need to adapt quickly. Coastal cities might be fortified with seawalls or relocated entirely. New technologies would be developed to manage water resources, food production, and energy in a hotter, more chaotic world. However, the cost of these adaptations would be enormous, and not all regions or populations would have the resources to cope. International cooperation would be crucial to managing the global impacts and supporting those most affected by the changes. The possibility of all the ice on Earth melting serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for climate action. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, investing in renewable energy, and protecting our natural ecosystems, we can slow the rate of ice melt and mitigate some of the most severe consequences. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet and the survival of countless species, including our own. The melting of all the ice on Earth is a scenario that we still have the power to prevent. It's a call to action for all of us to take responsibility for the future of our planet. By working together, we can protect the Earth's ice, preserve our coastal cities, and ensure a stable climate for generations to come.